Alright, let's get into lizard news. Well, I guess this thing caught on fire, but how did it catch on fire? Was it a directed energy weapon? Something to think about. Alright, man has gender reassignment surgery to become a woman at the age of 81. Yeah, that's just your lizards. That's their reprogramming of people. That's just complete mind control right there. Those are the reptilians doing that shit. Okay, finally they came out. Microwave is the main suspect in the attack on diplomats in Cuba. Okay. I knew the second that this story, when it came out, I knew what the fuck this was because I'm a victim of their technology. Microwaves, here. You getting this? Microwaves are the main suspect in the attack on the U.S. diplomats in Cuba. Okay, and from what I understand, these people have really suffered horribly. May have been zapped